What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back in the 360 Spider, and I know some of you guys wanted to know, well, how come I haven't gone after the PPI company, the company that did the inspection on this car before I bought it? Well, I did, and here's an update. So maybe buyer beware, but that's already, done and gone. I already failed that test, like how many of you guys told me. But now it's up to me to make the next buyer aware. Okay, so this is for you guys. I opened up a BBB claim against the PPI company. And this is what they said. Here's a letter from the BBB. I'm posting it right here. Wait for it. Wait for it. That's right, they didn't respond. The business failed to respond. They probably got some sort of heads up from Marshall Goldman. So here's a link to the description on the BBB page for the inspection company, where my complaint will be posted in a matter of days probably. So something you guys probably already know, but I'm going to say it anyways, is that, because I didn't know, PPIs are not all equal. Although PPIs are a great idea, everybody says to get one. It's kind of like picking out milk in the grocery store. There's just so many different kinds. Some can be spoiled, some just might not fit your dietary needs, right? Probably a terrible analogy, but somebody please make a better one in the comments. I really depend on these comments to help me out here. So do your research, and even if you can talk to the previous owner, that'd be even better. So yeah, bad news. Wasn't able to get anywhere with the PPI company. So big shocker. I know you guys are going to be really surprised. But on a side note, I looked through the service history, and just to compare notes, now that I have experience reading these service records, the previous owner in 2017 paid almost $800 to adjust the shifter because it wasn't shifting from first to second. They didn't do the hill engineering bushing. They just try to adjust it and put new lubrication in it, and I don't know if that worked or not, because the car pretty much sat for a year after that, sat for another 2 years. And one of you want to know what the holes look like for the rollover valves, access points. So go ahead and take a look right here. I'm going to post them on the screen. You either make these holes, or you have to take the whole panel off of underneath that clamshell. And I said, go ahead and just drill them, because why not have access? I mean, Ferrari doesn't make things easy. It's no big deal. It's not a body panel. It's not painted. Just go ahead and do it, and put a grommet over to seal it up. One thing I did forget to test after watching some more CNC motors related horror stories is I forgot to test the thickness of my paint. So Amazon.com, bought this guy. It's not a sponsor. I did buy this product. So if you guys want to come with me while we check the paint meter readings, let's do that, okay? Let's go. Alright, you guys, got my paint meter. So why don't we go ahead and test out the panels and see what the rear fender, rear quarter panel is. There we go. 5.3, it's pretty standard for a Ferrari paint, right? Another 5.3. Going on down the body panels, still about 5.4. Very good, good news. 6.6, 6.5, almost 5. Here's where it's interesting, because I did this after I already clear brawed the whole front clip and the windshield frame. So if you add about 7 mils for the clear bra, you can see the clear bra right there on the edge. I don't think my meter can get into the edge. I don't think it can get, no, it can't get into that small section. But 13, we got 13. And we're on the hood here. Again, 13 minus 7 is about 6.3 mils. Again, same deal there. Front bumper. The only thing I can't figure out is why the I know the bumper on the front and rear is like a fiberglass type material. It's not really metal. So can you guys figure out and let me know, how do you measure the thickness on like a Corvette, which is all fiberglass, right? Because these panels are easy. Just put the meter on there, it reads it instantly. But the front bumper and the rear bumper cannot read the coatings because it's not metal. So I need your help with that, guys. Can you help me with that? Comment below. I'd love to just double check. I know I redid the bumper in the front, but I would like to check the rear bumper as well. Comment below, let me know. One more thing, I did have something really funny happen with the convertible top, so let me get that open for you guys and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, I got the car started. Now, something really strange happened last time I opened the convertible top. I want to see if I can show you guys, see if it's still there, okay? Let's go ahead and put it on, excuse me. Put the top on, okay, it's motorizing, here it comes out. Wasn't good. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I guess we should just close it. There it comes. Wow, these are finicky as heck, man. There we go, about halfway. See if I can catch it. Okay, let's stop it right there. Oh, too much. Roll it back just a tap. Okay, let's see if I can get this for you guys. I did not plan for that to happen so terribly. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. You seeing what I'm seeing? Duct tape. That is duct tape. I don't know if it's Italian duct tape or US duct tape. Okay, we have duct tape, and you see, let me go to the other side. All right, let me go to the other side. We have zip ties. Zip ties. Maybe they're les zip ties. But those are zip ties and duct tape. All right. That's the side we had to replace that hinged casting. Okay. Now, this side, we have duct tape. Bam. We have zip ties. Okay. Is this Ferrari OEM duct tape? Please someone tell me. Please someone tell me. Or do I need to go to the upholstery shop? Comment below. You guys go home, check your convertible tops, let me know what they look like. DM me pictures, because obviously I don't have a good top to reference. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. You guys want to see if it's going to go all the way back? Okay, why don't we see if it works. All the way back. Tuck my head. Alright. See if we can go back now. Woo, fingers crossed. Here we go. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was close. 2 beeps. I'm out of here. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.